Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome in my YouTube channel Practical Civil Engineers. And the continuation of previous lectures of estimating and costing by engineer Muhammad Bilal. So this is lecture number 5. I will also share the link of previous 4 lecture in the description. So our today's lecture is different areas in building. So the first one is a plinth area. So we will discuss in detail the plinth area. So what is plinth area? The built up covered area. The built up covered area of a building measured at floor level of any story. It means the total floor area including the area of wall is called plinth area. Means that let's suppose this one is plot area. This is the total dimension of the plot. Let's suppose we have the total dimension of this plot is 70 feet multiplied by 50 feet. So this one is the total dimension of the plot, and we left the surrounding area of 4 feet to this side and 4 feet to this side. So we will deduct this 8 feet from the total 17. So this one is called 62 feet, and let's have this is also 4 feet and this one is also 4 feet. So this area will be suppose plinth area. So this is the covered area including these walls are called plinth area. For the purpose of plinth area, following shall be included. Means that there are different areas which are included in plinth area. The number 1 is area of wall all the floor at the floor level excluding plinth offset of if any. Plinth offset means that this one is the plinth level. So from here we will start the area of plinth and we will deduct this one from the plinth area. The second one is staircase. The staircase is included in the plinth area. Staircase is included in plinth area. In case of open veranda, means that if there were an open veranda with parapet, but there are two different types of veranda. One is protected by projection 100% and the second one is unprotected by projection. So we will take the unprotected area so we will take the unprotected area will be 50% and the protected area at 100%. So this will be included if an veranda is protected by a projection. So the 100% veranda will be included in plinth area, and if the veranda is not protected by a projection, so we will take the 50% of the total veranda in plinth area. Let's suppose a veranda having 100 square feet area but unprotected by a projection, so we will take 50% in plinth area. 100% area of balcony protected by a projection. If a balcony is protected by a projection, so we will take also the same case is for balcony area which is not included in plinth area. So area of lift is not included in the plinth area. Area of architectural land means cornice. Cornic means that, let's suppose this is the outer side of the building. This is the veranda, this is the open space, and this one is the projection, but the projection is like this is called cornic. So this area is not included in plinth area. It is the same case of an offset area of vertical sun breaker. Vertical sun breaker is not included in the projection. So what is sun breaker? Let's suppose this is the outside of the building, and we will here is one window here, but we will provide this sun blinder for breaking the sunlight. So this area will be not included in plinth area. Area of open plot. This is the building, and this is the open plot. So this area will be not included in plinth area. Terrace. This one is the building, and at the top here is one is a terrace at first floor. So this area is not included in plinth area. Open spiral service stair means, let's suppose this one is building, and here we provide a staircase, a circular staircase. So this circular staircase or service staircase will be not included in plinth area. Area of Mumti machine room or a tower. So here is the staircase Mumti. So this area is also not included in plinth area. Domes above terrace means this is the elevation of the building. This is the Mumti, or this one is the dome. So this area is also not included in the plinth area. Kindly subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.